I feel like we go for it. If we need to, we turn around.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. I just lost the front. Is there speed limits here?
The speed limit's 100.
I was doing like 140. On the straight?
Today?
Yeah. That's why it was so dusty. But I don't really want to go much faster than that because it takes like a kilometer to stop.
Yeah, I don't think it's a good idea.
Fuck no. Is it?
Like, I'm not sinking down at all, man. Give it a walk if you really want to.
I don't know if they are. Oh, they're not fucking waterproof. Fuck.
You could try the middle. What are you thinking?
I'm going in the middle. I can make that. Fuck. Is it deep?
Yeah, it's mostly real deep.
Alright. So we back it up and then I'll go around there.
So heavy.
Okay.
I thought we were out of it.
One more heave.
Hard because I go to like make adjustments to balance myself.
And then you're like
it's
stuck.
like you're in concrete.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. If I lift that front up, I might be able to.
Wait, do you have a kickstand?
Yeah.
You can do a kickstand spin around.
I don't think. I feel like it's gonna sink way too quick.
I'll just hold it if you want to.
Okay. I don't know if this is gonna break my.
How about we put this, flip the bum over there?
Can someone hold this brake for me? I'll try it.
Try kickstand spin.
I'll try that after this. If that doesn't work, that's my last hurrah. Can you hold that just so I can grab the wheel? The front brake, lock it.
Lock the front.
Yeah, so I can lift it up.
In the hole. I'll give it a quick 1-2 if you want to hold the bar. Great.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Like there was no bottle.
Do you reckon it's getting out of this?
You do this pressure on me.
Easy! Alright, shall we do this?
Yeah.
This is looking less and less like a track. Yeah, alright. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I feel like... Yeah, it's kind of fucked, eh?
What do you think, Matt?
I feel like we go for it. If we need to, we turn around. Okay. The biggest thing with this is my clearance is kind of fucked. So I ripped the bottom fairing off a little bit. I was going to zip tie it back up. It's just kind of like sitting there loosely. So I thought if I zip tie it to the rest of the bike, it has less chance of snapping off. What is the temperature today? Like 35 or something? Fuck. And it's humid. I don't know about this one. Yeah. Do you reckon you could get through that? Nah, I wouldn't try it.
On the left would be the way to go, but...
Yeah, I reckon we turn around.
Yeah, for sure.
Do you want a hand?
I was going to offer you a lift.
How to make this any more dangerous? Tandem biking. Oh, that was fucking technical.
Yeah.
Did alright though. Did you expect we'd be doing this?
No, not at all. I thought it would just be fire ride.
Is that good or bad?
But if it was like that the whole way through, it would have been fine.
Yeah. I guess we just go down there and see what happens.
Let me give this a go.
You wanna give this a go?
Good luck starting it.
Yeah, fuck. Do I just hold it down? Oh, my nuts. I forgot how high this is. Ooh. Was Stephen alright? Here he comes. Hey?
Did you turn left?
No, you rode past us.
Oh, did I?
Yeah, we were just sitting there.
Sorry, I got sussed out.
Yeah, because I was like, maybe he's enjoying it a lot more than I thought. Because you just rode straight past us.
I
Could
thought
go
you
on
were
past,
random
you could fly
people.
by.
Sorry, I got really like...
Yeah, I know. There was two there, and we were sitting like watching while we waited. I was like, Maybe you didn't notice that was us. Not with the blue bike. Because you went past quick. I was like, damn, okay.
No, I'm actually enjoying this. This is like a really smooth ride.
It is, eh?
Yeah.
You want to swap back?
I mean, I'm kind of enjoying it.
You can take it for a
Are you
bit.
enjoying that?
Yeah, it's fun.
And I know what you mean about the fairing. It's amazing that thing's not destroyed.
Yeah, I know.
I was just wondering what did these guys think? Like,
Yeah.
of this?
Because I rode past and it looked normal. He rode past, looked semi-normal. I was just waiting for you to ride past and them to be like, what the fuck? Fuck it.
With personnel.
Yeah, let's go for a little bit. Enjoy it.
I feel like it depends if you're pinning it like down something like this.
Yeah.
You
The stopping on this though is not great.
I was getting a bit nervous.
We just like look behind like, where did Alex go? When the fuck? I was gonna bring some rope today because I thought something might happen. I was like, if we need to, we can tow a bike or something.
Like, I don't think gear matters.
Yeah. But like on the motorway back home.
Oh, no.
Yeah, fuck.
So I haven't been riding all that long, and in my time, I've never seen a crash in a car, and I've seen 5 accidents on a bike, 2 of which were fatal.
Oh wow.
Dude,
There was a head-on collision on Mount Glorious when we were on there.
this shit will get you killed, eh?
Yep. Do you remember when we went over Glorious last? And we went over, came back, and there was a car in a tree?
Yeah.
That was awesome. And there's that Commodore Falcon over on the side.
Oh, right at the beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah. They haven't removed it.
No, it's been for ages.
Any parts? Wander down there.
I wonder what the story behind that thing is.
Oh, I cracked my fucking mirror. That's so sad.
Yeah.
I didn't finish my like motorcycle, how to wrap a motorcycle video though, so I guess I get to do it again
Yeah.
and I can upload that shit.
Wrapping a motorcycle sounds like a pain.
It is a pain. And that's the worst fucking piece.
Yeah.
Is it better stacking on like a racetrack? Have you stacked on a racetrack?
Yeah, because you're always wearing all the gear.
And you just slide off.
Yeah. If you tumble, it's not the greatest, but you're always wearing like full leathers and shit, and you're always wearing these. I feel like these saved my ankle. Because this is the leather outside, but it's also got an inside that's got like a metal brace that helps your ankle. My ankle's actually kind of sore, but I may have broken it if I didn't do that because there's a bunch of ditches and shit in there. Alright, are you guys right if we head back?
Yep. You still want to stop at Macca's?
Yeah, maybe just stop at a servo or something.